someone flipped their RAV4 because that idiot didn't know how to drive. I am going to find your families and sacrifice them. It was like 69%. I was like, nice. It was all like a domestic abuse situation up in there. I mean, straight up, it was like bam, 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 bam. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what's up, everybody? Oh my gosh. Today has been a day. I am sweating to death and I just got on the bike. And I'm leaving late today, so of course I'm gonna get stuck in traffic. It's just one of those days, man. It's like sitting in a sauna, you know, when you're breathing and it feels like you're just taking in hot moisture. That sounded worse than I meant for it to sound, but you know what I mean. Bro, can you move? Go, 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 go. Freaking nerd. Hey, the gas pedal's the one on the right. Yeah, like that, but hit it a little harder, buddy. Oh, finally, air. Oh, ow. Ugh, ow. Dude, it is ridiculous outside. I keep getting these emails that are like, weather advisory, extreme heat, stay inside. I'm like, I know, bro, but I gotta get home. And I have been out all day today, man. I have not had 5 minutes to myself. It's just one of those days. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Want to get home, shower, and just crash. Eat some dinner, and then crash. Not the bike, though. Oh, yeah, no hands. Oh, back in traffic and it's sweltering. Where's the green light? Bro, I am straight up not having a good time. All right, this is it for me. I'm out. I'm down. Oh, green light. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what happened today. Just one thing, one little thing that took like an hour of my day. And some of you may not care. Some of you might find it interesting. Some of you might not know what I'm talking about and tell me to shut up. That's fine. Go ahead and comment that. Comment right now. Say it. Type it out. Shut up, loser. I'll reply. I'll do it. I'll reply to every single comment I see. Well, ones that warrant a reply anyway. If you just send me like a smiley face, I might not. I don't know. I'll like it though. Anyway, sorry, I digress. Back to the topic of conversation, a little bit of things I did today. So for those of you who don't know, I work in IT. That means information technology. That means computers and computer stuff. What's on it? So today, I was at a live-in fire station. A biker. Saw it. So at this fire station, they have, guess what? Wi-Fi. Who would have guessed? So we're going through all the fire stations and replacing the Wi-Fi. I'm going to say that to keep it simple. It's actually a lot more complicated than that. But that's just to give you the short and sweet of what we're doing. So we're replacing a router and an access point. If you don't know what that is, don't care. Shut up. Let me tell my story. The access point is the part I'm going to be talking about right now, because that is like a little disc with a little light on it and it tells you that you have Wi-Fi. And it projects Wi-Fi. It gives you Wi-Fi. It's like a tree giving oxygen, but more important, because it's a little piece of plastic giving off Wi-Fi. And that's important. Now, our job was to go in and take that piece of plastic and replace it with a new piece of plastic that gave even better Wi-Fi, essentially. So we go in there. We don't see that little piece of plastic. It's really not little. It's like bigger than my hand. And it has a light on it, like a pretty obvious light, like a big ring light. It's pretty noticeable. So we're looking all around for it. And we're talking to the firefighters. They're like, yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. They're like, well, do you even have Wi-Fi here? Yeah, we had Wi-Fi here. And now they don't because we took out part of it. So now we can't even like see it anymore. And they're like, yeah, I've never seen that. I don't know what you're talking about. It's really, oh, this sucks. They're like, yeah, do whatever you need to do to look for it. And then they're like, yeah, we'll look with you and help you find it. Cool. 2 seconds later, ding, 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 ding. Someone flipped their RAV4. So yeah, now the firefighters got to go and help with that nonsense because that idiot doesn't know how to drive. So now I'm sitting here going through all these freaking bedrooms. Oh my God, dude, it's so hot sitting here. So anyway, I'm going through all these bedrooms, looking through the kitchen, looking through the office, everything. This thing is just straight up not there. Like it doesn't exist. And at this point, because they were complaining about not having Wi-Fi like a couple hours earlier, I'm thinking they knew we were coming to replace it, so somebody stole it. We ended up staying there for like almost an hour looking for the stupid thing that I'm pretty sure doesn't even exist there anymore. And all this was happening at the end of the day, so I'm like ready to go home. Are we gonna go today? Good Lord. Get that wind on my skin. Oh, okay, there's gravel in the road. That's cool, that's cool. Whoa, more gravel in the road, all right. So yeah, that was all at the end of the day. So I'm like ready to go back, but we still had another fire station to go to. And of course, when we got to that one, it's like super far from the office where all my stuff is that I have to get before I go home. Like my vehicle, my bike. and it's like time to go, man. We're still working on it. We are 32 minutes away from the office, and we only have 28 minutes to get there. So we finally got it, like came in clutch at the last second, fixed it, and got out of there. And the dude who was with me was like, oh man, I gotta go turn my phone in or whatever it was to the post office before they close. I'm like, I bet. So I hit that gas pedal, bro. I mean, I hit that thing. It was all like a domestic abuse situation up in there. I mean, straight up, it was like bam, 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 you know what I'm saying? So I cut several minutes off of my GPS time. We got stuck behind a few slow people. Some people thought it was cool to go 20 to 45 because they just hate themselves, I guess, and everyone around them. And saw a car accident right in front of us. We were like halfway back to the office, and I saw two cars hit each other, and I was like, you've got to be kidding me. And I'm like, all right, whatever. It was a simple fender bender, whatever. Let's just get out of the way. And they're like, no, we're going to sit here in both lanes of traffic and not move. I'm like, I am going to find your families and sacrifice them to the gods of speed, so you know what it's like to move. It was aggressive. I was very upset. Oh, is that a cop? I'm sorry. I'm not speeding. I wasn't doing anything wrong. I'm just cruising, bro. Don't tase me, bro. So yeah, finally they like slowly moved out of the way, and the cars were like driving really slowly by to watch. I'm like, it's just a fender bender. Move. There's nothing to see. You've seen bent metal before. Move on. But yeah, we got through that. Got back to the office like just in time. Like just in time. I was cutting minutes off that GPS like there was slices of onions, bro. Yeah, then I got here, turned on my camera, it said no battery, and I'm like, how does it say no battery? If it has a screen to show, it's clearly got a battery in it. And then it popped up, it was like 69%. I was like, nice. That's a true story, that really happened. I realized by saying that, it makes it sound like it didn't happen. I promise it did. Anyway, that's really all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to give you a little fueled story of my energy and passion towards this subject that was part of my day today. But that's it, guys. I'll see you on the other side. Catch you next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. I love ya. Bye.